Which one my favorite?
This is Pedro, Madeline's brother.
You
can't dance like a girl.
I can't.
He can dub.
He can dub, but he can't dance like a girl.
It's opposite for me. I can dance, but I can't dub.
I can dance like a boy.
I don't think I can't spell or dub.
Dub me?
Go more! I can't dub.
Look at that! My brother like this. Look at him! You want to try you?
He does what I do.
I know how to do it. Go, let's see if Maddie can do it.
I can't.
Try.
I'm way shorter.
Go.
God.
No, that's not how you do it.
This is how Carl do it. He goes like this.
Yeah. He's going to do it. Hey, there you go.
Carl?
Nigga, he goes like that to you. He please do it.
I think I'm going nigga. You're the fucking done my life. I think I was dread that day.
When?
The fucking prom, nigga.
Oh.
He sure was.
And fucking Kim was like, yo, shut the fuck up. Like a
He was
fucking
got
bum.
one of those. We were fucking just like this. This pushing Jules, son. She was like, I was like, damn, I feel bad for her.